Hey, what are you doing here? Ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is, right? Hopefully you know what time. I have no watch. Hopefully you know what time it is. That's why you're at this video, right? Exactly. And welcome back to the channel. My name is Nyla, and this is boom, LCTrades. You already know. So you guys know how we're here. We're gonna run this weekly analysis video. So I am trying 2 different times out, right? I have, if you guys want, go to my channel, vote on which day you guys want me to drop this video. Do y'all want me to drop it Sunday at 8 or Monday at 5? Today I'm gonna try Monday at 5. We're gonna see how that goes. When y'all start voting, because right now it's a tie, I'll know when to drop the video. Like, feel me? All right, so without further ado, wait, hold on. Before I even say that, make sure you like this video first. Make sure you drop a comment and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Why? Because it takes 2 seconds to do that. I'm sorry, my voice is a little shot. Sorry. Anyway, let's hop into the video. Let's get this weekly analysis started. Let's do it. What would you do if I told you that I love you? All right, so got the tool out right here, and you already know I got a good amount of pairs for y'all this week. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7, kind of 6. One is like an but we gonna get into it. All right, so let's start at the top. I got the tool ready. Let's do it. So first pair is going to be USDCHF. So right now we're gonna break it down. Right, we have our higher low, higher high on the daily. That makes it bullish. Yes, exactly. On the 4-hour, excuse me, we have our lower high right here and lower low. So we are, bearish on the 4-hour, and then the 1-hour is going to be the same thing. We're going to be bearish. We have our, there's a new lower high, there's a new lower low in the making. So without further ado, let's break this bad boy down. So first we have the area of interest, right? And if you watch my weekly analysis, you know I have this on the daily. But the weekly analysis, the area of interest is basically an area that the market like is affected by. You get what I'm saying? Like, I think you guys wanted me to make a video about that, right? Yeah, I'll do that. But anyway, right now it's kind of doing exactly what I wanted to do. It's going back to the area of interest, retesting it, and what I'm hoping it does is either breaks past it so we could continue down, or retest it. But since the 4-hour and the 1-hour are bearish, I am going to be looking for sells. So I'm hoping that it just breaks through this area of interest. All right, so now to the good stuff, right? So we have our swing high right here. We have our swing low right here. And all we're waiting for is the market to do pretty much this. What was that? We're waiting for the market to do this. Bow. That's what we're waiting for. So we're waiting for a break and retest. We're waiting for ICC. We're waiting for all that good stuff, right? So, hold on. And the reason, like, let me just say this, right? I do ICC and break and retest, but it's 2 different things. ICC is more of a, like, you want a deeper correction sometimes. Break and retest is you just want to get to that area and slide back down. Like, you know what I'm saying? Or slide up, for me. So right now for USDCHF, I am looking for sells. Especially like if we get below this EMA on the 4-hour, yeah, it's up, it's over. Like, definitely looking for sells, and we'll probably take it like to this area right here or this area right here. Maybe this is TP1 and this is TP2, but yeah, USDCHF might be one of my tops this week for sure. All right, that's enough about that. On to the next one. So it's gonna be GBPUSD. So this should have been at the bottom of the list. This isn't my favorite, but let's break it down real quick. So we have the daily is bullish now. Well, actually, that was awkward. Okay. Actually, we have to wait for the candle to close fully, so it has another hour and 11 minutes. So once it closes, then the daily would be bullish. So I'm not gonna like change it yet until it closes. Pending bullish. The 4-hour is definitely bullish. So we have our higher low right here, higher high in the making. And the 1-hour is definitely bullish. Higher low right here, higher high in the making. So what am I waiting for GBPUSD? I'm definitely looking for buys, but I need a pullback. But I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the way the market moves, I might not even get that pullback. So This is my current swing high and swing low. I might move it to this area right here because if price breaks above this and retests this area, I'll actually be happy with that and I'll enter the trade. So yeah, guys, by the way, I stopped putting alerts only for the video, like content, whatever. After the videos, I'll be putting alerts. So don't think I don't use alerts. I do, but they was messing up my videos. Like, anyway, so we're basically waiting for price to do this, and we could take it right here. Move this stuff over. Take it right here. So I'm looking for buys on GBPUSD. Everything to me is in alignment. 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish. Daily will be bullish if that 1 hour and probably 10 minutes now. Once that candle closes, everything will be in alignment. So we're definitely looking for buys. If you guys are wondering like how I get my sentiments on trades, I do need 2 time frames to be in sync. You get what I'm saying? And once those 2 time frames are in sync, that's the route I'm looking to go. So yeah, that's it. On to EURUSD. So EURUSD is up. Let's break it down first. So daily is bearish. We have our lower high right here. We have our lower low right here. 4 hour is going to be bullish. Yes, bullish. We have our higher. Wait. There's an equal. These are equal highs as of right now. But higher high right here, higher low right here, and the 1 hour is going to be bullish as well. Higher low, higher high. So as you can see, we have 2 time frames in sync. So I mean, here's the thing though, I can see EURUSD still selling, especially gets back to this area of interest right here. And why does it not say area of interest? What's that about? Okay, if we get back to this area of interest right here, retest it and go back down, I wouldn't be mad at that because overall the daily is the biggest confluence. The 4 hour is better confluence in terms of hold on. The 4 hour is a better confluence overall for like my day trades and stuff like that. So like I said, I could take it right here, and if you see, hold on, let me just show y'all the theory that I'm talking about. Hold on. Hey, where the heck is the line? Oh, okay. So if you see, right, if I take it back to, if I do take buys up to this area, it should be okay because remember, overall, if it does, like I said, if it does get to this area of interest right here and sells, I wouldn't be mad. But for a short-term buy, I can see that happening as well. But right now we have, it looks like we're making equal highs, so we just have to wait and see about that one. I'm not super excited about EURUSD. It's just one of those I marked up and it didn't look too bad, so we'll see. Let me see. 1 hour is, it's also like 352 Eastern time, so it's like literally no volume right now. So yeah, we'll see. That's pending. USDCAD. So let's go down to the daily. All right. Daily is bullish. We have our higher low and higher high. 4 hour is, yes, 4 hour is bullish because let me just show you guys with lines and stuff. Actually, I want to draw. Let's draw. Okay. We have our, all right, forget it. We're going to show up with lines. We have our lower high, previous lower high. Then we have our lower low. The lower low was taken out by this candle right here. So then this is going to move down here. This is going to move down here, right? So we would technically be like, get rid of this, right? We would technically be still bearish if we were looking at it. But then price broke above our higher low and now we are bullish. Do you guys understand that? Were y'all following? I hope so. Okay. But that's why we're bullish on the 4 hour. And then the 1 hour is also going to be bullish as well. Higher low right here, higher high. So overall for USDCAD, obviously it looks like buys are gonna be, you know, expected. However, because I have a sentiment of sells on USDCHF, we're just gonna have to see how that goes. They correlate, not in the biggest way, but they do correlate. Like when most of the times when USDCHF is buying, USDCAD is buying, as you can see. Look at this. And look at this. So USDCAD is actually, I kind of shouldn't even have it on the list. It's really not my favorite, but If it gets to this area of interest and goes up, I mean, then it goes up. If it breaks below, if it does this, if it does something like this, I wouldn't be mad at that either, but my sentiment overall will have to change. So we'll see, because right now all the time frames are bullish, so we should be looking for buys, right? And you never fight the trend, right? So we'll see. You know, I'm gonna be going live. I'm gonna be going live 9 a.m. You guys did vote to go live 9 a.m. In the morning, so I'm gonna be starting that tomorrow up until probably Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 a.m. lives. But anyway, on to the next pair. GBPAUD. This is, yo, a lot of these pairs are not my favorite. I think my favorite overall this week is USDCHF. But anyway, GBPAUD, right? Let's break it down. Daily is bullish, so we have our higher low, higher high. 4 hour is bullish, higher low right here, higher high. And then the 1 hour is also bullish. Higher low, higher high right there. So overall, we're looking for buys, obviously. We need a break, correction, continuation, you know, ICC stuff, whatever. Just break and retest. So once we get that, we can look to take, let's see. We could look for this area first and then this area overall. But we just have to wait and see, because that market shot up. It was not playing today. I like that. I don't usually trade Mondays though, so you know, it is what it is. I usually just let the market play out, do what it has to do from the weekend, then yeah. But anyway, that is GBPAUD. We're waiting for a break and retest, and we're looking for buys. So we want it to look something like this. Bow. Okay, next is gonna be everybody's favorite, gold. Yes, gold. Gold is absolutely not my favorite this week. It's really not. But let's break it down real quick. So we have the daily is gonna be bearish. We have our lower high right here, our lower low right here. The 4 hour is going to be bullish. No, bearish. I'm bugging. We have our lower high right here, our lower low right here. Did I say that for the daily? I hope I said lower high, lower low. I think I did, but yeah. Lower high, lower low. So the 4 hour is bearish, and then the 1 hour is going to be bearish as well. With our, hold on, let me zoom in. Lower high, lower low. So yeah, overall the gold is bearish overall on all time frames across the board. So we should be looking for sells, and that's good. This area of interest is wrong, so I'm gonna delete that. How you get your area of interest is I'm gonna show you guys real time. You go from your right now in the moment lower high, go to the lower low, right? So wait, gotta get it exact. All right, so then hold on, let me make it area of interest. You drag it across, right? Drag it. I like to do minimum a year and a half, right? So this was back in October 2025. And then we just look for points where price was affected. Obviously, actually, this is an area of interest right here. You just need 3 points, right? So touch right here, touch right here, touch right here. Let me fix it a little bit. Touch right here. So that's one area of interest. Hold on, we'll get another one. Just drag it back to the lower high. And we just look for another one. This might be one. Yeah, it is. So there's another one right here. All right, cool. So what we need is kind of what it's doing already. It came back to this area of interest, and if this candle closes like this in the next hour, that'll be a bearish engulfing. Remember, study your candlestick patterns, very important. A bearish engulfing candle. So that is a signal that the market is going to continue down. And honestly, when gold goes down, USD, the dollar goes up. So we just have to see how all of these pairs play out, because like I said, I'm looking for sells on USDCHF. But USDCAD is saying buy it, so I don't know. We'll see. Overall, you just play it by ear. Like, just because I say this and it happens all the time, just because in my weekly analysis I may see it a certain way, tomorrow I could see it a whole different way because the market did something different. But that's why I'm going to be going live at 9 a.m. so that, you know, we'll take some trades together. But anyway, it looks good right now, especially if this candle closes like this. So if we go down to the, oh my gosh, what are y'all doing here? What are they doing here? Take it off on the minutes too. Hold on, guys. Minutes, hours. Wait, did I take it off for the days too? I'm sure I did. Why would I do that? Ugh, now I gotta go all the way to the weekly, go get it back. Okay. Alrighty, cool. So, perfect. I'm going, so there's the lower high, lower low. Gold's not my favorite because, I don't know. I just don't like how it looks right now. But maybe I'll like it tomorrow. But we do need gold to break below here, retest this area, and go and continue to go down. One thing about gold, sometimes it does not like to retest. That thing just be moving. Like, that thing just be moving. So, we're just going to watch gold really, like, very, 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 very hard. And we're going to see if we like it in the rest of these days to come. It's trending down right now, so that's a good sign. But, yeah, gold sells for sure. And then, last but not least, AUDJPY. I didn't really want to add this to the list, but there's a lot of pairs I really didn't want to add to the list, to be honest. I kind of should have made it shorter because I'm really not interested in a lot of these pairs. But as the week goes on, we'll look at it. Let's break it down real quick. The daily is bearish, so we have our lower high right here, our lower low. 4 hour is bearish as well. Lower high, no. Hold on. Yes, actually I'm correct. Lower high, lower low. So, oh, and the 1 hour is bearish as well. Lower high right here, lower low. So right now, AUDJPY is consolidating. And consolidation is good sometimes because that means that the market is accumulating and trying to figure out what it wants to do. And that means that we're going to have a breakout. Let's see what direction we have a breakout in, because as of right now, our sentiment is bearish across the board. Now, why would that say bullish? Anyway, our sentiment is bearish across the board, so we're looking for sells. So it would be good if price could break below this, retest it, and continue down. At this point, I think actually AUDJPY actually looks better than a lot of these other pairs, to be honest. It looks really good. So honestly, we're just gonna wait on that and see exactly what it wants to do. We have to have a breakout though of some sort. It may do it this week, it may not. You never know. We'll just wait and see. But yeah, those are gonna be all the pairs. Let me just do a quick recap. We have USDCHF, we're looking for sells. We'll see. GBPUSD, we're looking for buys. EURUSD, we're looking for buys. USDCAD, we're looking for buys. GBPAUD, we're looking for buys. Gold, we're looking for sells. And AUDJPY is we should be looking for sells. So yeah, that's the weekly analysis. Let's hit the outro. Alrighty guys, how'd you like the video? How'd you like it? Did I explain stuff good? Yeah, I hope so. Make sure you drop a comment though. Tell me about myself. Like if you like what I said, if you have any questions about what I said, you could DM me, follow my Instagram. I tell all of y'all to follow my Instagram. Some of y'all have been. I'm not gonna lie. Some of y'all have been. I respect it. I like that. But follow my Instagram. You could DM me privately if you're scared to write a comment. I don't know. And tell me about myself. I don't know. You think I'm right? You think I'm wrong? Tell me. I could take constructive criticism, I promise. Like, if you hated the video, you could thumbs down the video. I don't care. Like, honestly, you can do whatever you want. But just be real. Tell me how the videos are. And yeah, that's it. So again, make sure you like the video. Make sure you drop a comment because I care about what you guys have to say. And then make sure you smash that subscribe button because it takes 2 seconds to do that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. for the live, okay? It's always a pleasure. I love you guys. See you on the next one.